Welcome to your home sweet home. We are here in Dunnellon, Florida today, and this is a fantastic property just recently remodeled, move-in ready. I'm going to take you through and show you all the great things about this home, but I do want to emphasize this is situated on 2.5 acres of non-restricted land. So agricultural, you can do whatever you please out here. The only thing you hear and see when you're standing on this property is nature. It's gorgeous. So 2.5 acres, it is ready to be cultivated in any way you like, whether it be having animals. There's a covered goat pen in the back that could be immediately used or turned into a chicken coop, or all sorts of things. Lots of room for gardening, and as I stated, this is completely remodeled. So some of the significant updates as we walk around: the roof was just put on this year, so you've got a good longevity there on your roof. We have a 2019 air conditioning system and 2021 on the water softener. So some of the big ticket items are well taken care of for you. As you can see, the kitchen's been updated with beautiful stone granite countertops, new appliances, ready to go and very functional. Nice little bar area here, so you can put some stools there and have eat in, and then you've got a dining room right off of the kitchen with sliders out to that beautiful back acreage. So this first bedroom is the primary suite. Nice closet, built-in closet there, fan and lights for comfort. Beautiful new carpeting, and then the attached ensuite bath has 2 sinks, good storage there, linen storage, a nice tucked away toilet, and a lovely shower. Now this design, this primary bathroom opens up to the laundry room, mud room area that goes out to the side yard. Now the side yard will pop out there right now because I don't want to forget to mention that we do have an RV hookup right there. So if you see that the electrical pole at the bottom, there's a nice RV hookup. We've got the water softener that's below the covered area to the side. And there's 3 decks on this house. So you've got the front porch, which you probably noticed when you came in. Beautiful, brand new wood front porch with railings, so you can put some chairs out there, even maybe a little dining set if you wanted to, and just enjoy, again, the sounds of nature, birds chirping and the breeze, especially this time of year in Florida where we're starting to have a little bit cooler temperatures and more breezes. It's just lovely. Second bedroom. And notice the ceilings are high, they're vaulted, so you've got a little more volume in this house because of those ceilings. Hallway then leads you to the guest bathroom, full tub shower combo in this bathroom, granite countertop sink again. Fans in both of the bathrooms, so that's a nice feature to have. And the third bedroom, very similar to the second bedroom, built-in closet. Really good natural light in this house as well. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. Bedrooms have the plush carpeting, so your feet are cushioned when you're relaxing at the end of the day. And then we have the back deck area. This slider is a little fussy, but once you get it sliding, it works great. Here we go. So the back deck area here, again, a new deck and stairs. Little pond there, could be a nice little koi pond if you wanted to revitalize that. Some pavers here at the bottom of the deck. Set up again a nice table, or just some chairs, and enjoy this back lawn. So it's a nice yard. The property is fenced. There's a gate for the driveway entrance, so everything is tucked in together on this 2.5 acres. Where you see the bushes there in the back, that's where there is a goat pen, covered goat area, and then that back acreage is pretty natural right now, but it goes back much further, and you have a lot of space that you could start using also to the side here as well. So really fantastic property, a great value, and it is move-in ready. This location is quite nice. It's very private, so with the dirt road, you're not going to get any through traffic here. There would be no reason for anyone to come down this road unless they live on this road. So very few cars are navigating the road. And you are located, though, just off of Highway 200, which takes you into Ocala. If you enjoy a lot of restaurant options and shopping and maybe the equestrian scene, there's a lot to do there in Ocala. And then you're just north of Citrus County, where there's a lot of really nice things as well. And Citrus County is developing quite a bit. So you have easy access to quite a few amenities between shopping and dining and entertainment. And then of course we're in Central Florida, so we aren't far from Orlando for the theme parks or Tampa for all of the entertainment that you have there. So this is a really great location if you're looking for a quiet lifestyle but enjoying the Florida sunshine and being able to do some agricultural things, maybe sustainable living. This is ideal. If this looks like something that would work well for you, please contact me. My name's Ruth Squires. I am with eXp Realty, and we are RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. You can contact me or anyone on my team at 352-794-1426.